There you go. Okay. You helping, Mommy? Let me see it.
It looks like a mini tiny berry tree.
What's that? What's that?
It's a clover.
It's a clover?
Look.
Huh?
These are the right juicy ones.
Yep.
It looks so beautiful.
Oh yeah, that's a
good.
lot. Yeah. That's a good amount. Now we just gotta go through them all. Ooh. I still got the little stem. Okay, let me cut it. There you go. Okay. Thank you, Zizi. Come on.
I need an apple tree.
No, we don't have to get all of them. We can wait. The birds want to eat them too.
No, I don't want to eat. We're going to have a great life. The wild mulberries time.
It's not their season.